Hey everyone, welcome to Studio K plus D Architects. Today, we're taking on an epic transformation project, turning this tired old rental shop into a sleek, modern architecture studio. Let's dive in. Here's the before. At just 330 square feet, this space is small but full of possibilities, and we're here to maximize every inch. This rental shop with old tile flooring, plain plastered brick walls, and a wooden partition splitting the space. It's a bit outdated and cramped, but we're excited to make it work. Let's make it happen. These uneven steps were unsafe. We made each step 7 inches high and 11 inches deep to be safe and standard. A toilet is a must, but there's no plumbing. Our solution was to run the water and waste pipes through the floor, using the existing tile flooring as a guide. We carefully lifted a narrow strip of tiles near the partition to create a channel for the pipes, then connected them to the main sewer line outside. We carefully took down the wooden partition, saving every plank. This old wooden partition splits the space awkwardly. The flooring tile was cracked and not on the same level, and the ceiling was sagging, so we demolished it. The reused wood was used to transform this space. We sanded the old partition wood to create a slimmer, modern divider. The new divider defines our design and meeting areas without closing off the space. We're aiming for a stylish design area, a welcoming client meeting spot, and a vibrant, creative vibe, reusing the shop's existing materials to keep costs low. Material selection in interior design is far more than a stylistic choice. It's a strategic decision that impacts how a space looks, feels, and functions. Whether designing a cozy home or a bustling office, the right materials lay the foundation for a successful project. So the wait is over. This is Studio K plus D. We've turned this rental shop into a lean, functional architecture studio. Starting with this cleaned up facade, let's walk you through from outside to in. As soon as you walk into the office, you're greeted by this sleek divider wall. The firm's name, Studio K plus D, engraved right here on the frosted glass. It's designed to separate the waiting lounge from the meeting area. Tucked behind a sleek divider wall, this space is designed for client meetings, brainstorming sessions, and a touch of everyday practicality. The back wall paneling sets the tone, minimal but impactful. A long, custom-built counter that keep things professional yet approachable. Sit back, grab your popcorns, and enjoy the final outcome. We are architect Davinder Singh and architect Khushboo Mogla, both approved and licensed by Council of Architecture India. We specialize in architectural planning, interior design, exterior facade development, landscape architecture, and 3D visualization. Rooted in Punjab, inspired by the world, we believe in collaboration, listening, understanding, and designing together. Let's create spaces that inspire, nurture, and last a lifetime. Studio K plus D. Designing dreams, building futures.